Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap to this icon and you can see that we are logged into two accounts right now. So if you wanna just log out or remove one account, just go here to the manage accounts on this device section, and here as can you see we got our two accounts, and for example we'll just wanna log out from the first account. Just tap there and here you got the button, the remove account. Just tap here on the button and confirm to remove account, and as can you see we just stay with our account. And now we'll just go back to check that. Yes, as can you see we just log out from one from these two accounts. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.